Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online banking. Gone are the days of waiting in line at a physical branch. For many, the convenience of digital banking is king. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right online bank? One name that frequently pops up is Ally Bank. They boast a user-friendly platform, competitive interest rates, and a focus on customer satisfaction. But there's one question that often comes up: is Ally Bank even American? Let's unpack that question and explore what Ally Bank has to offer to see if it's the right fit for you. Ally Bank, a Detroit-born fintech giant. For those surprised by the question of Ally Bank's origins, it's perfectly understandable. Ally operates solely online, with no physical branches. This digital-first approach can create a sense of anonymity, leading some to wonder about its roots. Well, fear not. Ally Bank is indeed an American company. Founded in 1919 as the General Motors Acceptance Corporation, GMAC, it began by providing financing for car purchases made through General Motors dealerships. Over the years, Ally has transformed into a financial services powerhouse. In 2009, it rebranded as Ally Financial and expanded its offerings to include online banking, mortgages, and investment products. Today, Ally Bank is headquartered in Detroit, Michigan, and is a subsidiary of Ally Financial Incorporated. They're a major player in the U.S. financial landscape, consistently ranking among the top 20 largest banks in the country by asset size. So, there you have it, Ally Bank is American through and through. But being American doesn't tell the whole story. Let's delve deeper and see what makes Ally Bank unique. The allure of Ally: convenience and competitive rates. Ally Bank's claim to fame lies in its complete online operation. They've embraced the digital age, offering a user-friendly platform accessible from your computer or mobile device. This translates to several benefits for you, the customer. First, there's the sheer convenience. You can manage your finances 24/7 from anywhere with an internet connection. No more waiting in lines or squeezing appointments into your busy schedule. Second, Ally's focus on online operations allows them to keep overhead costs low. This translates into some of the most competitive interest rates on the market, both for savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs. For those unfamiliar, interest rates determine how much your money grows over time. So, with a higher interest rate from Ally, your hard-earned cash can grow at a faster pace. Here's the kicker: Ally doesn't just offer competitive rates, they often top the charts. Whether you're looking for a high-yield savings account to park your emergency fund or a CD to save for a specific goal, Ally is a strong contender. Beyond rates, what else does Ally offer? While interest rates are a major draw, Ally doesn't stop there. They offer a variety of banking products and services to cater to your financial needs. Here's a quick rundown. Checking accounts: Ally offers a straightforward checking account with features like online bill pay and mobile check deposit. Savings accounts: Ally's high-yield savings account is a popular option, allowing you to easily access your money while earning a competitive interest rate. Certificates of deposit, CDs: if you have a specific savings goal in mind, Ally offers CDs with fixed terms and competitive rates. Auto loans: Ally remains a major player in auto financing, offering competitive rates and a streamlined online application process. Mortgages: Ally offers a range of mortgage products to help you finance your dream home. The flip side: is Ally Bank right for you? As with any financial decision, it's important to consider all aspects before diving in. While Ally Bank offers a compelling package, there are some things to keep in mind. Limited account options: Ally's focus on online banking means they offer a more limited selection of accounts compared to traditional banks with physical branches. No physical branches: for those who value face-to-face interaction with a banker, Ally might not be the ideal choice. Customer service: Ally primarily offers customer service through phone and online channels. While their online reviews are generally positive, it's something to consider if you prefer in-person assistance.